Sa wakas, panalo ang Gilas Pilipinas sa FIBA Asia Cup. Pero ito yung mga tipong panalong di mo alam kung matutuwa ka ba o hindi. Jamie Malonzo, pawis na pawis sa warm-up at sa lupang hinirang. At yun na ang pinakapawis niya sa buong araw na to. So sa game na to, mas i-breakdown natin yung first quarter kasi dun lagi nagsastruggle yung Gilas eh. So tingnan natin why they're struggling. Okay, starting five, ang adjustment ng Team Cone is start si Scotty Thompson instead of Newsome. We still have two bigs, Junmar and AJ Adu. Start ng game, 3 points agad ang Iraq. Pwedeng sabihin mong swerte ito, but it's a defensive lapse. Miscommunication ni Justin Brownlee at AJ Edu kung sino ang tatao. Start pa lang, grabe na talaga yung depensa nila kay Justin Brownlee. And Justin Brownlee will struggle throughout the entire game. Dwight Ramos also missing his first shot. Parang ganun talaga si Dwight sa entire tournament na to, no? Struggle sa first quarter and then sa third quarter na siya puputok. Sa last game, sabi natin na ang mga bigs ng Gilas ay walang shooting except Kerr Tamayo. Pero AJ Edu proving otherwise. We also said Junmar Fard is a liability on defense and he started strong with this block. Again, parang yun yung tema ng buong tournament na to. Grabe ang 3 points talaga ng mga kalaban natin. Scotty Thompson with a wide open layup miss. And importante to kasi parang mawawala yung confidence ni Scotty throughout the game. Ang dami niyang wide open shots na dapat ititira na lang or i-layup na lang tas hindi niya iti-take. Pero ganun pa man, Scotty still dictates the tempo with this assist and lob to AJ Edu. We also said AJ Edu is not great at the offensive end, pero sa game na to, he is proving otherwise. Pero hindi araw-araw Pasko. Until maging consistent si AJ Edu sa 3-point shot, hindi talaga siya magiging threat doon at hindi niya mas-stretch yung defense. On the other hand, grabe talaga yung 3 points ng mga kalaban natin. Another wide open miss by Scotty Thompson. And then on the other end, Iraq with another perimeter shot. Contested ni Dwight pero pumasok pa rin. On the other hand, grabe yung defense talaga. Kinukuyog si Justin Brownlee pero pinilit pa rin. Miss. Okay, one of the rare moments na nakashoot si Dwight Ramos sa first quarter. So we should celebrate this. Again, makatanggap lang ng bola si Justin Brownlee. Double team agad. He gives it up to AJ Edu. And tulad ng sabi natin, ang strength ni Junmar Fajardo ay box out para sa offensive rebound and a put-back shot. So, galing, nagamit ni Junmar yung strengths niya dito. But on the other end, 3 points na naman yung kalaban. Parang tema talaga siya ng buong tournament na to, na we're still relying on the paint and then 3 points naman yung isasagot sa atin. So, swerte lang tayo na Iraq yung kalaban natin because ang dami actually nilang missed open shots na if this was a better team, sobrang tambak na tayo sa first quarter. So, start of the second quarter, tingnan nyo, sobrang open ni Kevin Kembao dun sa corner. Pero hindi siya nakita ni Junmar. Tapos, naging turnover. Pero buti na lang hindi nakakapitalize ang Iraq because again, they're not such a good team. Tapos, pagbalik on the offensive end, libre na naman sa wing/corner si KQ. Hindi naman na napasahan. Finally, third time's a charm. Libre ulit si KQ, pinasahan na siya sa wakas at dahil nanggigil siya, tumira siya agad even if contested na siya this time around, miss. Sabi natin sa last game na si Carl Tamayo lang ang big na actually may decent 3-point shot sa kanila. Kaso, hindi siya nabibigyan ng maraming minutes. Buti this time around, nabigyan siya ng minutes sa umpisa pa lang and he rewarded us with back-to-back 3-point shots. I really think that we should give more minutes and chance for Carl Tamayo. Nakikita ko siya yung parang mag-fit sa role dati ni RDO. Pero sobrang natuwa naman si Carl. Open sana sa wings si Dwight at si Oftana pero he decided to take it to the hole. Blocked. CJ Perez nabigyan din ng minutes. Rewarded us with a 3-point shot. So, this game actually medyo decent yung 3 points natin more than the other games. Pero, grabe din yung 3 points naman ang kalaban din natin. Kevin Kembao giving us the energy. I really think na dapat bigyan ng minutes itong mga mas batang player kasi nagbibigay talaga sila ng energy. Binigyan tayo ng 3 points ni CJ Perez kanina but yun nga, you take the good and bad with CJ. Uncontrolled, masyadong gigil, tumira kahit contested. Yun. And it led to the spectacular play on the other end. Lamang na naman yung Iraq.
One of the rare moments na libreng-libre si Justin Brownlee. Pero hinabol naman siya, miss shot, at maging ganun yung kwento ni Brownlee buong game, no? Sa next possession, sobrang kinuyog talaga siya. Pero foul naman yung kalaban, and it was enough to bother him. Pagod siya buong game na to, and he was not making shots at all. Okay, so umpisa ng third quarter, it really looked like two teams na nasa bottom ng tournament, which gano'n naman talaga, di ba? We were both struggling just to make a shot sa first, 5 minutes of the quarter. Parang kung alam niyo yung sa shot na full ni Kenny, and it was actually Iraq who scored the first basket at almost 2 minutes in the quarter. Pero even after that, struggle pa rin both teams. And then, we wouldn't make a shot until more than 3 minutes in the quarter. Grabe yung struggle talaga. Okay, Junmar Fajardo, offensive rebound, giving us our first 2 points in the quarter. Justin Brownlee continues to struggle. And finally, Dwight Ramos with a back-to-back 3-point shot. And Justin Brownlee finally, his first field goal of the game, almost 6 minutes into the third quarter already. Parang nakakatuwa yung 3 straight 3 points natin. Parang it's something refreshing to see. And then, after a timeout, we made another defensive breakdown, wide open layup by Iraq. And Newsome with another 3-point shot. Wow, grabe. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Ang dami nating 3 points sa third quarter. Sana magtuloy-tuloy yung ganito sa tournament. Justin Brownlee with a putback shot, pero he gave up his body for this. A very scary fall, and lahat ng fans ng Gilas held their breath. Buti naman Justin Brownlee was able to come back. Okay, start of the fourth quarter, binench na si Brownlee, binigyan ng minutes ulit si Carl Tamayo, and si Japet Aguilar, but Iraq started with a tough shot. Great contest by Newsome, pero pumasok pa rin. That's alright. And Japet Aguilar joining the party with his first 2 points of the tournament. And after a great shot, great D naman by Japet on this end. At dahil nabigyan ng minutes si Japet, the crowd went... But I guess we celebrated too early dahil na-cut ng Iraq yung lead to 10, and then eventually another 3-point shot cutting the lead to 7. So binalik na yung starters natin. Justin Brownlee, nakapaglaro naman siya ulit. Calvin Oftane finally fulfilling his role with a 3-point shot. But on the next play, injury. So, pagdasal natin si Calvin, mga sir. So with Calvin out, CJ Perez in, and just look at this. So enough naman yung lead na ginawa natin sa third quarter. We still won with a single-digit margin, but still panalo pa rin tayo, and we will face the number 2 team in Group C. Kung sino mga kalaban natin at ano mga abangan natin, panoorin nyo sa next video dito lang sa The Pinoy Step.